Welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy, Lesson 3, Data Types Boolean. So, fantastic, you just printed an int data type. The next data type we will use is the Boolean. A Boolean is a data type that can only be either true or false. So, Boolean basically represents either true or false. Instructions: type either true or false between parentheses of system out print line to print a Boolean value. Sure. I guess they're just trying to introduce us to these data types. So if I put in true, then this will return a true value. There it is. The important thing that you need to just know, because I know when I first was introduced to Booleans, I was like, okay, what is the point? Like, okay, it could be true, it could be false. Well, really, programming is based on this either on and off thing, right? Ones and zeros, on and off. So true or false, we can make our code do things if a condition is true, and we could make a program not do something if a condition is false. Either or. But yes, it's important to just take from this that Booleans are very useful. And if you can start implementing when you start learning more concepts into your coding, then it will help you do a lot of stuff that you could otherwise not do. Otherwise. I said eitherwise. Ha. But anyways, hope you guys liked this lesson. This was Data Types Boolean on Codecademy's Learn Java. I'll see you guys on the next one.